Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add a banner to your Facebook like page. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Facebook account, so we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to your web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to facebook.com, or we can use a shortcut, click on the toolbar with shortcuts, Facebook, go to your Facebook like page, go all the way to the top, and now we have the place where the header, the banner needs to be. Click on edit, choose from photos, choose from videos, create slideshow or upload photo. This is click on upload photo. Make sure we are in the folder that has the banner in, so we can go to documents, my YouTube channel, click on the banner, choose, make sure you have one ready. We can drag to reposition. However, this is what we have uploaded to multiple social media pages from the YouTube channel, Twitter page. Click on save changes. So that itself is now done. If we go to another tab, open up Twitter, there we can see this is the banner for Twitter. Open up another tab, go to YouTube Studio, my YouTube channel, click on this, and there we also see this is the banner for the YouTube channel. So we can go back to Facebook, Command Alt to refresh, and now we can see that we have a status update. Computer Science Videos updated their cover photo, so we can now quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.